Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's recipe is gonna be a cucumber salad. This is a greenhouse English cucumber. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cut it up. I don't know, I think I might just do half of it this time. You cut it up any way you like. Sometimes I just take the skin off. But today I'm just gonna keep it for the fiber. If you're doing a low carb diet or eating lifestyle, this vegetable is pretty much a go-to because it's so versatile. You could add it to your salad, um, especially if you want to get at least 8 cups of vegetable in your diet. This is a pretty large cucumber, so I'm just going to use half of it. Okay. What I've done here is I took a red onion, I diced it, then I used the juice of 1 lime and I let it marinate in the fridge. So that was marinated overnight. So I'm just gonna add this to it. So it's sort of pickled onion, I would say. In here, I like to recycle the coffee jars. In here is Italian dry herbs. Just gonna do like just a light sprinkle. Of course, like all salads are pretty much to taste. So I'll have a light sprinkle of that. This is optional. This is black olives. I just like them. So I'm just gonna add some of that to it. And then I'm just gonna add a drizzle of olive oil. And just mix it. You could add just about anything and everything in here. But if you're trying to keep it low carb, then try to just incorporate other low carb vegetables in here. The olive is just to add flavor because I like it, and also variety, a little variety, I guess. That is it. That is a nice low carb cucumber salad that's easy to make. Took 2 seconds and you're ready to go. If you haven't already done so, please like, subscribe, and I will see and share, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.